Photovoltaic Technology. In today's video, we will be exploring photovoltaic technology, which allows for the conversion of solar energy into electrical energy. 1. PV cells, made of semiconductor materials. These cells directly convert sunlight into electricity. They generate an electric current when photons from the sun strike the semiconductor material, causing electron movement. 2. Panel types. Monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin-film cells offer various advantages. Monocrystalline cells provide the highest efficiency, while polycrystalline cells are more cost-effective. Thin-film cells are suitable for specialized applications due to their flexible structure. 3. Photovoltaic systems. These systems consist of various components, such as solar panels, mounting structures, inverters, and energy storage units. 4. Application areas. Photovoltaic systems can be used in various areas, including rooftop installations, ground-mounted structures, solar power plants, and floating solar energy systems. 5. Environmental and economic benefits. Photovoltaic technology reduces dependency on fossil fuel-derived energy and significantly decreases carbon emissions. Photovoltaic technology forms the foundation of advancements in the solar energy field, drawing attention to sustainable and renewable energy sources. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.